commission replicator review, demo, and $3,325 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and this is my commission replicator review, a brand new product that will allow you to copy and paste commissions of up to $1,000. So this is essentially a done for you product, done for you campaigns, including traffic. So this is something that is a complete all-in-one system for making money online as an affiliate marketer, as a super affiliate marketer, because you will be copying campaigns of super affiliates. Okay, so as always, I'm going to show you the inside of the members area, all of the bonuses and everything else. And let me mention that my bonus is actually worth well over $3,000, and it includes software, W's of the day awarded products, some custom made bonuses, and much more. So let me share my screen and let's jump into this commission replicator review. And as always, you know that I like to do Fiverr research before I go to the review. So I actually found some gigs that people are buying in the hundreds that are actually much more expensive comparing to what you're going to pay for a commission replicator. Okay, so this person says, I will provide complete affiliate marketing setup ready to make multiple commissions. So this is actually exactly what you're getting with a commission replicator. This guy charges 127 euro, which is almost $150. And as you can see, he actually sold almost 400 gigs and 2 orders are in queue. So people are buying this. Probably they don't know that they can buy the same exact thing for much cheaper. I found another one. I will create autopilot Amazon affiliate store for passive income. Now you're gonna get something super similar with a commission replicator, not for Amazon but for just any affiliate products. This is 47 euro, which is $55, and commission replicator will still be much cheaper. And last one, I will create clickbank affiliate website for passive profits, 32 euro, which is like $40. And again, you'll be paying less than half for commission replicator. Now, with that being said, let's check out the sales page. And as you can see, it says 100% done for e-commission system, 0 paid ads, expensive traffic, or email marketing required. Commission replicator breakthrough new app allows you to copy and paste our super affiliate system to make over $1,000 per day in commissions, 0 monthly fees, newbie friendly, 100% done for you. Make game-changing commissions with 100% newbie friendly copy and paste system. So again, this is copy and paste, done for you. Automated traffic system is included, and you're going to be seeing results fast because you are using already existing campaigns. Okay, so this is Glynn, this is the guy behind this product. This works in 3 simple steps, and obviously Glynn and the team have tons of proof behind it. So this is $125,000 that he made from affiliate marketing alone. Obviously they got some testimonials here, massive proof here. So as you can see, $34,000 from JVZoo here. So just scrolling down, some more testimonials. And again, commission replicator, this is the name of this product. We are scrolling down here. Obviously you can go through all of this in your own time. So they got some examples. So what you're getting is a cloud-based software, 15 plus done for you affiliate campaigns, over 100 high-valued giveaways, traffic is included, very important, and step-by-step video guides. These guys have some bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of all this, and a little sum up here. 30 days money back guarantee as always, so there's absolutely no risk for you. And as you can see, it will be $17.97, super low price. But keep in mind, this is the early bird price, so the price will be going up after the initial launch period. As you can see, this is the pro version, which includes everything that I will show you in this video. So that's essentially it, and let's jump into the members area right now. So as you can see, this is how it looks like after you'll decide to pick it up. You have the dashboard right here, you have the welcome video, obviously you can access the training. So let's check out the training page right here. So obviously all the training is included, both on how to use the system, use the software, and also how to make money with it. Okay, so as you can see, we got daily tips, then we have how to create your campaigns, how to deliver bonuses via JVZoo and Warrior Plus, how to create campaigns for any product, service, or launch, how to share and upload your funnel, and for the upgrades that we're going to talk about in a second, we have how to add a Facebook pixel to your funnels, how to add Facebook comments to your funnels, how to add Facebook Messenger to your funnels, how to add social proof pop-ups, and you're also gonna get bonus content. And obviously you can subscribe to Glynn's YouTube channel for even more training. Okay, so that's the training part. And going back right here to the dashboard, obviously we can edit your profile right here. Then we have the bonus builder app. So right now, let me just show you an example of a sales page that you're going to be using and a download page that you're going to be using. Okay, so this is an example of a sales page, a bonus page that you're going to be using for your affiliate marketing campaign. So obviously you can include a video, a headline. All of this is editable and customizable. You can add all of these bonuses, as you can see. So obviously you're gonna need bonuses if you want to make tons of sales as an affiliate marketer. And then the download page looks like this one. So as you can see, you know, we have the thank you right here, we have the e-cover, we have the download now and download license. So this is for the delivery of all the bonuses that you are including. So all of this is done for you. So that's the bonus builder app. As you can see, we got the done for you funnels as well. So with the done for you funnels, as you can see, we have the same exact idea. You know, you can create a funnel right here, add your bonuses, and the download pages are included just like with the bonus pages. So this is what you're getting with the funnels. And then even more done for you funnels are included with one of the OTOs that we're going to talk about in a second. And also you have the conversion tools, and that's one of the OTOs as well. Now, again, everything that you're going to need to start making money online as an affiliate marketer, copying super affiliate campaigns is included. As you can see, you got the bonus builder app, the done for you funnels. You get all the video training on both how to use this system and how to make money with it. So all you have to do is just start copying and pasting these done for you campaigns, and you're getting 15 plus and start making money. And obviously this is the fastest way for you to start actually seeing real results online. Okay. So this is everything that you're getting inside the members area. And right now let's check out all of the upsells. So let me tell you everything about the pricing first, and then we're gonna go through every single OTO. Now, as you can see, the early bird from 9 a.m. Eastern to 3 p.m. Eastern on the 15th of December will be actually $17.97, then $19.97, and then $21.97. Day 2, $23.97. So if you want to pick it up for as low as $17.97, make sure to show up early. Again, December 15th at 9 a.m. Eastern for the first 6 hours. OTO number 1, we have the unlimited version, $97. OTO number 2, we have done for you funnels. That's the additional funnels that I showed you, $97 as well. OTO number 3, automated traffic flow, so additional traffic, $97. OTO number 4, 100x tools, $67. OTO number 5, triple threat, $67. And OTO number 6, reseller's license for $197. And guys, as always, I have a full written review right here on my blog, so you can check it all out, and this will include the full funnel breakdown. So let's go through all of this right now. So again, unlimited version, $97. This upgrade unlocks all of the features of the software and allows you to run unlimited campaigns. Okay, so the main version has a few limitations, but with the unlimited version you'll be able to take massive action. So you will see results with the main version alone, but obviously if you want to take massive action and see massive results, then you can definitely think about picking up the unlimited version. Commission Replicator OTO number 2, we got done for you plus additional features. So you're getting 15 done for you campaigns included with the main product. If you want additional ones, that will be OTO number 2. And in this upgrade, you're getting a big set of proven to convert done for you materials. So additional funnels, additional campaigns. This has been tested and proven to work, so you can start sending visitors to them without hesitation. The best part is that you don't need to put any effort, obviously, in creating these funnels and conversions. It's all proven and tested for you. So that's done for you plus additional features, $97. OTO number 3, automated traffic flow, $97 again. And in this upgrade, you're getting a powerful traffic generator. So this will assure you that you will get plenty of high quality traffic to the offers, to the pages, to the funnels, to the landing pages and everything else. So this upgrade will eliminate all the needs for investing in any traffic. Okay, so that's automated traffic flow, $97. OTO number 4, we got conversion boosting tools. So essentially you're getting additional tools that I showed you before. So you'll be able to add pixels, Facebook Messenger, exit pop-up bars, and much more. So this will just boost your conversions. At $67. Again, optional, but if you want to boost your conversions, that will be OTO number 4. OTO number 5, we got triple threat traffic, so that's $67. Obviously, you're gonna get the automated traffic flow as OTO free. Now, if you want to triple that traffic, that's OTO number 5, and essentially you will be getting even more traffic if you want to scale this up. And the last one, OTO number 6, we get license rights, $197. You probably know how this works. You are getting 100% commissions if you'll decide to sell a commission replicator as your own product and keep, again, 100% commissions on the whole funnel. So not only the main product but the whole funnel. And as always, guys, OTOs are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone. But maybe if you want additional done for you funnels or the traffic or anything else, then you can definitely think about picking one of these up. Now, let me show you all of my bonuses, because as I mentioned, I have well over $3,000 worth of bonuses, and this will include custom bonuses, software, W's of the day awarded products, and much more. Okay, so as you can see, again, Commission Replicator will be going live at 9 a.m. Eastern on December 15th. That's a Sunday. And the first bonus is a custom made bonus by myself, especially for this promotion. This is everything you need to know about traffic and affiliate marketing. Okay, so this is a custom made bonus, and on top of all of this, I'm going to give you a piece of software called Affiliate Warrior, another piece of software called Affiliate Promo Machine, and another piece of software called Extreme Affiliate Page. So that's 3 pieces of software so far. And I'm also going to give you a reseller's license to 3 of my top selling product, Instabit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor Ultimate. So you're getting 100% commissions on all 3 throughout the funnel. One more piece of software, Affiliate Traffic Lab. This is actually a piece of software that Glynn gave me as an exclusive software bonus for you. I'm also going to give you 5 done for you campaigns. So these are actually my own campaigns. I normally sell these as an OTO to my own products, but you're getting this for free. And again, these are 5 done for you campaigns. And now I have a bunch of W's of the day awarded products for you. You're gonna get $500 CPA every day, $200 CPA cash hack, $300 CPA every day, the CPA coffee shop method, $2,000 traffic jacker, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, the commission toolbox, $100 CPA daily, pure profit payday, WP video, viral click, affiliate advantage, image plus, list building expert, 100 e-course publishing tips, speedy content publishing tips, and SlideShare tips videos. And I'm also going to give you additional plugins. So you're going to get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar plugin, and Short Code Call to Action. Now that's a total of 36 bonuses worth $1,825. But on top of all this, you're going to get my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this will bring it up to a total of $3,325. Now again, Commission Replicator will be going live at 9 a.m. Eastern on December 15th. If you want to pick it up from my link, just use one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, first link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, but only after Commission Replicator will be live. So only after 9 a.m. Eastern on December 15th. Before that, the link will probably not work. And again, the second link in the description will take you to my blog, so you can check out the full written review right here if you like to read, as well as watching these review videos that I got ready for you. And before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. If you'll decide to pick up Commission Replicator from my link, you should see it on the delivery page. So all you have to do is just go to your purchase history. So click on your icon right here, click on purchase history, then click on the Commission Replicator icon right here. So this will open up the delivery page, and right below the green button saying access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonus from Art, and that's how you will claim my bonus. So you don't have to send me emails, you don't have to send me any receipts. This will be automatically delivered to you. Now, I really like this product because you're getting all of these done for you campaigns, done for your funnels. All you have to do is just add your affiliate link to them, start making money. And again, this is something that will allow you to copy and paste real campaigns from super affiliates. So saves you time, saves you all the headaches, traffic is included. You'll make a ton of money with this, so it gets a thumbs up for me. I really like it, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section. Please like this video on YouTube, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. So again, I'll see you when Commission Replicator goes live at 9 AM Eastern on December 15th, and also in the next review video. Ciao!